WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
And I'm WUSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. In case you missed this, and this is on our website, officially 1.1 at National, 1.1 at Dulles, 2 inches in Waldorf, and Gaithersburg 1.5. We had you in the inch band. You overachieved. Fairfax 2 inches. You kind of overachieved. You were sort of on the cusp of the 1 to 3 band and the inch band. And just to talk for a minute about how dry it was, our first snow was snow for everyone, which is kind of unusual. Our first snow is very dry, which means, generally speaking, an inch of rain is 10 inches of snow. It was so cold, an inch of rain equaled 20 inches of snow. So that's kind of crazy. Only 0.05 of an inch liquid fell at National, and it resulted in 1.1 inches of snow. That's a dry snow for any time of the winter for us, and particularly dry for our first snow. Okay, let's talk about the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, chilly days, cold nights, a lot of clouds, okay? Winter gear and layers, that's probably your best bet. The best news is it's not going to be windy. So, yes, it will be cold in the 40s, but it won't be breezy. You'll not be talking about wind chills. Now, a little bit of fog Saturday morning. Some of it's going to be dangerous, okay? This number here is visibility in miles. 0, Leesburg. 0, Winchester. Probably see a dense fog advisory posted. So that's at 7 o'clock, essentially I-95 west, some dense fog. 8:30, visibility still goose egg, Winchester, Martinsburg, Leesburg, Culpeper. Hopefully you have no plans to drive early on Saturday morning. By the time we get to 11 o'clock, now it's pretty much gone. Visibility now 8 miles in Leesburg, 4 miles in Culpeper, 10 miles downtown, although there's still some fog in the Culpeper area. It's just not dense. So, you know, if you wake up, you got plans early in the morning, just wait until the fog burns off. It will burn off pretty quickly. Now, let's kind of graph out Saturday. So, not much wind, a lot of clouds to start and fog to start. Temperatures go back in the low to mid 40s. More clouds return by evening. So, I mean, you'll need your shades a little bit, but it's essentially a mostly cloudy day with more clouds and sunshine. And again, not much wind, but chilly. So here we go, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. 20s and low 30s and just foggy and cloudy, and still cloudy at 10 o'clock. Temperatures now finally a little above freezing downtown, but still below freezing or around freezing north and west. By 2 o'clock, now we see the base map. So we have a couple of breaks, okay? A little bit of sun comes out, and that will push temps low to mid 40s downtown. A lot of the burbs north and west, especially Martinsburg and Hagerstown and Frederick, you may not make 40 at all on Saturday. By 7 p.m., some breaks in the clouds, but still mostly cloudy. Temperatures in the 30s, but above freezing, 39 downtown. Let me pretty much clear out by 11 o'clock Saturday night. Temperatures now around freezing across the board, okay? So there could be a few slick spots Saturday night. Sunday morning, clouds come back. Temperatures upper 20s to around 30. Clouds kind of linger at 10 o'clock, and temperatures, you know, because of that, don't really respond. They're mid-30s still. 1 o'clock, we're near 40. Finally, some breaks in the clouds by 5:30. So a lot of us will see the sun set, but a lot of clouds on Sunday. Yes, not windy, but still pretty chilly. Our average high is 52. We've lost sight of that, okay? By 10:30 on Sunday, we kind of clear out again. Upper 20s, Frederick, you know, 33, 34 downtown, and then Monday morning for the kids at the bus stop, we're in the 20s. We have clear skies, a northerly wind. It's going to be blustery on Monday. In fact, temperatures in the 20s, but dress for the teens at the bus stop on Monday. And look at this. By lunchtime, temperatures still in the 20s north and west and low 30s downtown. So again, the weekend, you know, mostly cloudy, mid 40s, and still cold at night. Right around freezing Saturday night into Sunday morning, right around 30 Sunday night into Monday morning. And temps don't go up much on Monday. Check this out. 45 Sunday, only 38 on Monday. 42 on Tuesday, and then we go back to around 50, 51 on Wednesday. And that would be about average by the time we get there. Right now, average is like 52. So once we get to Wednesday, it gets cold again Thursday, mild again Friday, although there's some disagreement in the model of how warm it gets Friday. Gets cold again, though, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of the following week. So our cold December continues. So mostly cloudy Saturday, mostly cloudy Sunday, but you can do stuff. You can finish your holiday shopping or you're decorating. Upper 30s, though, breezy and just blustery blustery on Monday. Tuesday, still cold, low 40s. Monday, we're back to around 50. We'll keep Wednesday. We'll keep Wednesday dry. Thursday, a few clouds, low 40s, and then some showers possible Friday, but some models have a much colder solution. We'll watch that. Morning showers on Friday, highs in the upper 40s.